California, including the following counties: Riverside and San Bernardino. Until 11:30 p.m. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Some low-water crossings may become impassable. At 8:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is already occurring in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Riverside, San Bernardino, Fontana, Moreno Valley, Ontario, Corona, Rialto, Hesperia, Chino, Apple Valley, Redlands, Lake Elsinore, Yucaipa, Northwestern Palm Springs, Big Bear City, Redwood, Lake Arrowhead, Forest Falls, I-15 through the Cajon Pass, and Mount San Gorgonio. This advisory does include the Apple and El Dorado burn scars. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. These are